لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله عليه صلاة الله وآله والأحبة. لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله عليه صلاة الله وآله والأحبة. Shine your mercy like the sun and be gracious as the earth. Let your kindness come like rain that cares not whom it falls upon. And let ocean deep your wisdom be, your heart a lantern spreading peace. Give yourself in love of him, be like Al-Habib. And in your deepest need and in your deepest grief, call on him in humility. Place your trust in the one to whom creation turns. You'll find redemption and find peace. La ilaha illallah Muhammadun Rasulullah alayhi salatullah wa alihi wal ahibba. Be a blazing fire of truth, be a soothing balm of peace. With the light of your sincerity, break the clouds of tyranny. Let your faith be like a blessed tree, give your shade to all who seek. May your roots run true and deep, take your strength from Al-Habib. Ya Nabi salam alayk, Ya Rasul salam alayk, Ya Habib salam alayk, salawatullah alayk. I know that certainty will bring tranquility, contentment with Allah's decree. Give thanks for all that comes, be patient and know that someday you will return to him. La ilaha illallah Muhammadun Rasulullah alayhi salatullah wa alihi wal ahibba. Fast to the company of the folk of certainty, through their gaze and through your love for them. May you be as one of them, be as gentle as the whispering breeze, spread solace to the world weary. Let your heart and soul be mirror clear, give life and love to Al-Habib. Ya Nabi salam alayk, Ya Rasul salam alayk, Ya Habib salam alayk, salawatullah alayk. And stand before Allah like nothing else exists, and worship him like you are seeing. Be with all creation in all your deeds and words, as though you have no self to please. La ilaha illallah Muhammadun Rasulullah alayhi salatullah wa alihi wal ahibba. When you master all of this, forget not your neediness. Were it not for Allah's grace, none of this can be achieved. So be humble as the lowly earth that all creatures walk upon. Be the slave of the most merciful, take your light from Al-Habib. So shine your mercy like the sun, send your light across the earth. Let your kindness flow like rivers, quench the thirst of all who come. And let mountains strong your spirit be, but your heart melt out of love for him. Take the road that leads to him. May you be with Al-Habib. Ya Nabi, salam alayka. Ya Rasul, salam alayka. Ya Rasul, ya Habib, salam alayka. Ya Habib, sallallahu alayhi. Ya Nabi, salam alayka. Ya Rasul, salam alayka. Ya Rasul, ya Habib, salam alayka. Ya Habib, محمد رسول الله عليه صلاة الله وآله والأحبة. لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله عليه صلاة الله وآله والآخرة.